Hello everyone, welcome back to Suku Studios. This is Sukanya and this is Milky Chan. We hope that you guys are doing great. So last week I have posted few animation videos in my Instagram account and a few of you guys have DM'd me to know how it was done. So it is a kind of a experimentation that I wanted to do. So I thought, why not make a video about it and share it with you guys. So the real trick of the thing is, I have used I like clicking photos and I do photography in my as a hobby. So I thought of using my old photographs that I have and trying to come up with the animation. So you can use any photos that you have or you can download it from the internet. Let's start doing it, and the rest of the story I'll tell you why we are doing that. Let's go! You can use any animation software for doing this. I'm using Procreate in my iPad Pro to do this. You can use Photoshop, TV Paint or any software where you can draw frame by frame. The next thing is we need to look at the photograph. You can use any photograph that you like, only make sure the size and the resolution should be big enough so that it doesn't pixelate when we put this as the background for our animation. Then we need to think about what is the craziest thing that we can do with this photograph. You can draw out a character or an animal and fit it in a way that it looks like the part of the photograph. Then sketch it out in the style that suits you. After the character is in position, we will merge the layers, the photograph and the character layer. I am illustrating a character of a girl here. I'm sketching her out. She is lying, she has climbed up a tree and lying there on the branches. I like coloring my characters pink, so I'm coloring this character pink and purple, and maybe the butterflies will be yellow or orange or something. I'm not still sure yet. I'm first concentrating on sketching the character out as nicely as possible, giving all the highlights and shadows and make the character ready before we go for animating. Now we will go and use the animation assist option and start animating. This photo was taken in Thol Lake Bird Sanctuary in Gujarat, Ahmedabad. I really liked that place. It was so green and always covered with all sorts of trees. The area had a lot of small lakes and puddles as well. We went there during December and it was winter. Different kinds of migratory birds came from all around the world. It was so beautiful to look at the sunrise standing in the cold and hearing 1,000 birds chirping beside you. It was like one of the beautiful experiences that I ever had. I wanted to climb those lofty trees as well, but couldn't make it possible in real life. So I thought, why not animate this in a way so that the character is on top of those trees. So every year we went there in search of flamingos. We searched everywhere around the lake and looked for them, but we never were enough fortunate to find any. The closest that we had gone to was finding a pinkish orangish feather near the lake, and we still believe that the feather belongs to a flamingo. I'm sure one day we will get to see a real flamingo in front of our eyes. Till then, we will keep the search on, looking for them. I won't talk anymore. I'll let you guys watch the video and look at the process involved in making this. I'll surely come back during the end of the video to greet you goodbye and to talk more about the video. So keep watching. to the animation, I am almost done with this. It looks nice. The butterflies also looks nice and part of the composition. You can do it as well. You can take any photographs or you can download it from internet and start animating. Do tag me if you post it in any social media platform. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you like these videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next week.